Hi everyone, I have a special treat for you today. I thought you all might find this interesting, and this is top secret because I don't want to give away where this is at, but it is in a residence, and I'm going to call him Mr. C. He has a wonderful collection of wood carvings, decoys, pictures, just all sorts of collectibles, including some sea life like shells and corals. So here we go. This is a room in his home, and it's filled with all these wonderful duck decoys, and there's also a few other decoys in there also, but these are carved from wood. That was like a crane, I believe, and some are old, some are new. He did not carve these. Mr. C did not carve these. These were purchased, and there was just so many. Those are little sandpipers, but there was so many. It was hard to, I couldn't do each individual one, so I just did a quick video, and he did give me permission to do a video. But and there's oh, that's a mallard duck there, I think, or not a mallard. Oh, I can't remember what they're called, but anyway. But that's a beautiful blanket. But look at those. Those are just beautiful. And he buys these from auctions. And he also has some private people that he buys these from. And like I said, some are old, some are newer. And they're made out of wood. Look at that. They're just beautiful. I was just so overwhelmed looking at his collection. And he does have some cards saying what somewhere. Isn't that cute? It's a chickadee. That's so cute. And these, these aren't ones you're going to use out in the pond for hunting. These are collectibles. And look at those. Just beautiful. And he has other wood carvings downstairs, and we'll get to those in a minute. But I just wanted you to show. This is the upstairs. Look at that. I didn't know if I was supposed to touch them. But I did. But and there were some other birds that I didn't know what they were. He has little cards, but I didn't read them all. But aren't those beautiful? And I'm not telling where this residence is because, it's just, I want to be safe about this. Because he has an extensive collection. Look at those. So beautiful. And he has them all very nicely displayed too. They're not crowded, so you can see them all. I'll just let you look at these until we get to the downstairs, because there are more downstairs, but I'll just let you take a gander at these geese and these ducks and all these other species of birds. This one was one of my favorites. I really like this one, and I just had to touch it. And yep, it's wood. And now we're downstairs, and this room is nothing but ravens or crows, and they're beautiful. And I've never known anybody to find the beauty in ravens or crows like Mr. C. He He sure knows what beautiful is. And there's several wood carvings and then some decorations, and it's all ravens and crows. It kind of reminded me of that Edgar Allan Poe poem. And then he even has a real crow, a pet crow. And I'll show you that in a minute. And there's his patio room, and there's the crow. I forget what the crow's name is. There it is. It was yelling at me. And here's downstairs still, and this is a display of what used to be sea life, corals and stuff, and some more decoys. And look at that. Aren't those beautiful? Those are some of my favorite. But here's the corals and the shells. And now this room, look at that beautiful table. Again, some wood, or these aren't wood carvings, they're stone carvings. The penguins are wood, but there's also some stone carvings. That's really wiggly, sorry about that. And look at, he has vultures. And there's an owl. The vultures are at his main entrance. And look at this cute owl with the wing hanging out, if that isn't cute. And there's like a snow owl, and there's some swans, and there's the vultures. Aren't those cute? Well, I don't know if vultures can be cute, but they're beautiful. And just, what a lovely display. And there was a pheasant on the table there. Look, he's got some nice hardwood floors. And there's Mr. C. And there's a toy he had bought. It's a wood toy. It's all hand carved, and it's like a little centipede or millipede. And you turn it, and it looks like it's moving. I thought that was neat. Just how cute is that? Yeah, and he has that on one of his shelves. And there's another penguin. And then here's another toy. It's like a praying mantis or a locust or something like that. Some kind of bug. And yeah, there's some of the stone carvings. Now I'm going back to the living room, I guess you would call it, the sitting room. And there's some more, and some little ones. And look at those beautiful, beautiful birds. Can you imagine what it takes to carve those? Jeez Louise. Wow. And there's some swans. They're big. There's a fish. Some more swans. Just beautiful, beautiful wood carvings. And he has some hanging. Those are geese. And I would like to thank Mr. C for letting me in his home to see his wood carving decoy collection. So thank you, Mr. C. I know you're going to see this. And for those of you that are new to my channel, I invite you to subscribe and click that notification bell if you want to get notified when I upload new videos. So thanks for watching. Bye.